let's make the graph on Google Sheets. So you need to be able to export the data and also make a graph using Google Sheets. So I assume you've gotten it into you've gotten your data into Google Sheets, either by just directly putting it in using the Google Docs integration or Google Drive integration, or I just email it to myself and open it up there. And then as soon as you try to edit it, it'll give you a little error thing. It says, oh, it must be saved as Excel version 10 or something like that, right? And then what you can do is you can either just drag these so you can see what this, so this is X, right? You can also just double click that little thing. And then that makes it as big as it needs to be to see everything. So this is X, this is Y, this is Z, and I know that I actually did something in the X direction that was interesting. So that's what I want to graph, is just my X. And the X is the easiest one too, because you can just delete these guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on these guys, select them, edit, delete them. And now I want to select all of this stuff. And rather than sit here and drag and drag and drag, okay, what I'm going to do is actually find the bottom. That's sort of easy. So there's the bottom. And keep in mind, this is only got 386 points. When you go to Oaks Park and you do a ride that lasts 2 minutes, this is just a few seconds. These files will get really, really long. So you want to use your little scroll here and go all the way to the bottom. Okay, this one's pretty short. So I click in the lower right, and then go all the way to the top, and then click, and I'm going to hold the shift key down. This is key. I'm holding the shift key down, and I click there. And when you do that, it'll select the entire range of where from the previous click to the current click. So that's a click and then a shift click. And then you want to insert a chart. And hopefully it'll be the right chart. Okay. Sometimes you have to mess with it. Like it doesn't have the right axis. It'll have like a line graph. It won't have an x-axis, and it'll have x time and the acceleration. And I don't know why it does that, but this is what you want. You do not want another little line that is coming up in diagonal. And I don't know how to make it glitch, so I don't know how to whatever. But anyway, and what you can do is just click this graph, and then I'm going to copy. So I'm on a Mac, so I do Command C, but you're going to do Control C. So select this. On a Chromebook, you do Control C. So copy the graph, right? And then you can just click on that slide. So here's the first slide with my screenshots. I'm just going to paste it in there. And then, linked or unlinked, I really don't know. I do unlinked because it seems, less fraught. And there it is. There's my exciting, what I accelerated right, and then stopped accelerating right. Then I accelerated left, and then I stopped accelerating left. Anyway, there it is. That's how you do that.